Introducing Home Dry. Have you ever wondered why you've never seen a hand dryer in someone's home? Maybe you thought about this, or maybe it never crossed your mind. A group of people from different backgrounds such as business, design, sales, and chemistry got together to build the perfect home hand dryer. We've all seen them before in public restrooms, but they're bulky, they're loud, and very expensive. It took dozens of concepts and prototypes, hundreds of experimental simulations, thousands of hours of craftsmanship, and an infinite amount of patience to bring you Home Dry. A cordless, beautifully designed, compact, and affordable bathroom and kitchen home hand dryer. Home Dry is not only environmentally friendly, it has a built-in patented blue UV light to kill bacteria that even soap can't get to. Hands-free with a rechargeable battery and wall-mountable, Home Dry will change your everyday life at home. Home Dry's industrial motor pumps out heated HEPA filtered air at 2 times the speed than a traditional hand dryer. Thus, we bring you an industrial product small enough for your home that dries your hands in 14 seconds. Home Dry's rechargeable battery lasts 1,920 sessions and on the average 480 days. The removable base doubles as an extra battery and charging port. An LED battery indicator shows you when battery needs to be charged. When mounted on the wall, simply plug in and use while charging or remove the battery and charge separately. We are so confident about what we have created and are excited to bring Home Dry to market. Please help us reach our goal so we can afford to produce Home Dry at an affordable price for everyone.
Wazer works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
As an industrial designer, I've used a variety of desktop fabrication tools, but they tend to be very limited by the durability of the materials you can use on those machines. With a desktop water jet, we can go from design to component to fitting that component and testing within a couple of hours. That's an incredibly powerful tool.
As a jeweler and an artist, with the work I make, I spend a lot of time hand cutting. So right now I'm selling pieces sort of as almost limited edition because I can't physically output them, not because I want to be making in a limited edition. Wazer would allow me to not only make a lot more, but also to lower the price point so they'd be available to a broader audience.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a water jet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
As mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers, we've designed products, manufactured components, and set up assembly lines in the past.
Now we're preparing for production, but we need enough orders to produce the machines cost-effectively.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.
bike so she could ride it to work, which I did, and then I got scared.
Scared because large cities are not always a safe place to ride a bike.
You have to slalom your way between potholes the size of a truck.
And urban drivers are not always the most patient or diplomat citizens.
So I started asking myself, how could I make this better for her? And I made a list of all the basic specifications that a perfect urban mobility system would need to meet.
You need maneuverability, which means a short wheelbase and a steep head tube to reduce your turning radius so you can manage extremely tight corners. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way. A small motorized rear wheel to increase acceleration and climb steeper roads. You should be standing in an upright position. Because there is a lot going on in the city, you need to keep an eye on your surroundings and be able to get on and off very easily. It needs to be simple, easy to use, intuitive, and almost maintenance-free. After months of brainstorming, the basic idea of the Sneaky Bike was born. A vintage concept with a modern twist. A lot of sweat and tears later, with many talented people who joined the project.
We ended up with an amazing product.
And now at your hub, the Sneaky Bike could be a game changer.
How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion, captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part? It's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
The thing that sets the hoverboard apart is that it really does take skill to operate. It's an earned experience. You have to get in touch with the nuances of the hoverboard, and once you do, the reward is a gliding, kind of willful experience that carries you where you want to go.
The hoverboard is the ultimate form in a new class of electronic transportation. connecting us to our world in a way we've never experienced before.
As of this moment that we're shooting this video, there are only 6 people on the planet that can ride a hoverboard. We all have one thing in common: we cannot stop riding it. So we want to find out how many other people share our passion for the hoverboard. And we've set up our Kickstarter reward tiers to reward those people the most who sign up first. So if you're as passionate about hoverboards as we are, back us on Kickstarter and join us in taking your first step into the future.
Wasting time on mounting the phone back and forth on a loose car cradle would be your nightmare. Meet Voltron, the first truly blazing fast wireless charging mount. The one-handed operation lets you stay away from inconvenience. It's really just that effortless. Set and charge, take and go. Thanks to its semi-enclosed frame, together with the elastic backplane structure, even on the bumpiest road, your phone will be steady like a rock. With the newest Key Fast Charge technology, your phone's charging speed will never fall behind the battery consumption while navigating your way. Once arrived, Voltron would alert you when the car turns off. You will never forget the phone again. The replaceable modular design allows the best personality to be added to the car that maximally enhances your driving experience. The fast can't wait. Speed it up with Voltron today.
To replace Kiwi Plug, the connected device that turns your smartphone into a universal remote. Compatible with all types of infrared appliances, TV, DVD, air conditioner, speakers, video projector, camera, whatever the make, Kiwi Plug offers the possibility to control all your daily electronic devices in a simple manner. We thought of this innovation to make your lives easier. Compatible with Android and iOS, download the Kiwi Plug app from the Play Store or the App Store. Connect Kiwi Plug to your audio jack, sync appliances in one click according to each room in your home or office. Then the smartphone gathers and saves all your remotes. Once branded, bearing a logo or colors of a company, Kiwi Plug becomes a promotional tool or an innovative and original business gift. Presented for the first time during the CES at Las Vegas back in January 2016, and then to the leading telecom professionals during the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona last February. Kiwi Plug is going to change your everyday life